Hi friends. Welcome to another informative video. Today we will learn the basic cost analysis. Price and quantity variance analysis. In this example, we have both product A in 2022 and 2023 and we've been asked to do a cost analysis and guide the management why there is a cost variance. For further analysis, we should know what quantity was purchased at what price in each year. Before we go and check the variance formula, we should check how changes in price and quantity impact price calculations. Let's make price and quantity same as 2022 so that there is no difference. Now we will change one by one each element and check the variance calculations. In practical life, mostly we face a mix of price and quantity changes. This example has shown you how you can better explain the impact of price and quantity change to management. Price variance equals difference of price rates multiplied with base year volume. Quantity variance equals difference in quantities multiplied with recent price rate. I hope you have understood the concept. If you need any help, write in comments and I will reply your questions. Please like and subscribe my channel.